Hi guys, welcome back to number 3 of the how-to series. This one I'm just going to do a night scene. It's winter time and a lot of guys will be heading out of 36s and 50s and out wider, bottom bashing for a few pearlies and squire and just some nice reef fish. I thought I'd just do a Paternoster rig. But when I'm in the shop, working in the shop, a lot of people still don't know how to tie the actual loop knot for your Paternoster. So what I was going to do is just quickly show you how to do the loop knot. I even use the same knot on my favourite snapper rig at nighttime snapper rig. So there's my snapper rig, sink on the bottom. What I'm talking about is one of those. Okay, I'm going to do that loop knot. You can see there, and just nice loop that goes out to the hooks for your live bait rig. But I'm just going to show you how to quickly tie, okay, one of these loop knots. But what I'll do is I'll do one here in front of you, in front of the camera now with mono, using my teeth and everything else, show you how easy it is. And then I'll do a different angle with some Dacron laying down the board, step by step, so you can follow along and get, practice. Okay guys, this one's going to be a nice, quick, easy video. So, loop knot. I've got a bit of mono here. It's just like 80 pound or something. I'll just find an end. So basically, this is going up to your swivel or whatever, the other one's going down to your sinker or... Okay, so what I'm going to do is just double the line over. Make it a fairly, decent sized sort of loop, like so. Right, you can see I've doubled it over and I'm going to pinch here. Now what I'm going to do with this finger is bring like this line and this one, I'm going to twist them around each other. So bring that one up. I'll put my finger in there and then I'll just start twisting, like so. Okay, it's a bit hard while I'm trying to do it on camera. I usually do a lot quicker and just not think about it. Usually about 5 loops, like so. You can see I've done a few loops, and where my finger is, there's still a loop in the middle. Now I'm going to take this big loop and put it through that one, but usually I just use my teeth. So I'll just get that loop, and I'm going to put that one through, the loop in the middle. Now using my mouth, you can see I pull. And what you do now is wet that down so no friction. And just with all 3, pull all 3. And that will lock down nice and tight. And there you go. There's basically just like your loop knot. It's not the neatest one I ever tied. But get locked down, you get the idea. That's it. So you got your nice loop now, you can pull that out, put a hook on it, and as you can see it sticks out to the side, it's not going to flop down. So that's just a quick and easy loop knot for Paternoster rigs. Then you go down like half a metre or so, about yay. Then you do another one. And if you want to run 3 hooks, go down half a metre, do another one. Then you sink on the bottom. Okay? So just quick easy loop knot for your Paternoster. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change angles of the camera. So it's pointing down here. I'm going to get my trusty old Dacron out. And then I'll do it laying down so you can watch and get an idea. Okay? I'll be back in a second, guys. Well, here we go again, guys. This time from a different angle with a bit of Dacron. Hopefully you can follow along, shouldn't be too hard. So what we want to do is just do a loop. So I'm just going to bring it around, just form a loop. You can adjust the size of the loop as you want it when you tie it, but I'll just keep it small to make it easy, so you can see. Okay. Now what I usually is just hold here. And these 2 here I'll twist around each other. So I'll pinch. And what we'll do is we'll bring that one over. Now I'm going to bring this one through like so. And it's starting to do a twist, okay? Keep holding that one. Now just twist these loops around again. Do that about 5 times, right? So, I don't know what I'm up to there, 3, I think that's like 4. It's a bit harder doing it this way too. That's 4. Now we'll just go one more, so 5. I'll put it down. And as you can see, there's a loop here in the middle. Nice twist either side. Now what we're going to do is a big loop. Is now bring it, fold it over, and just come back through the little loop. Okay, and this is where I use my teeth to pull this one. It's going to be a bit hard to do it this way. You can actually see it's starting to tie there. So I'll pull it down, pull them tight, Okay, you get the general gist anyway. So there you go. There's your loop knot. All you have to do is pull it up a bit tighter than that, obviously. But just make a loop, and then twist 2 lines around each other, holding your finger on the little loop in the middle, then get your big loop and push it back through the little loop. That sounded really confusing. Anyway, it's not that hard to tie, guys. Hopefully you got the general gist of how to do that. And that's just a good, strong knot for tying your Paternoster rigs. And I'll see you in the next video, number 4. I'm not sure which one that will be yet, but we'll find out. See you guys.